Yeah, good morning everyone. This is Balaji, Academic Director, Krishnaveni Group of Schools and Rainbow Group of Schools. Today, I am standing before you to explain about one important program which is designed recently for the benefit of all our children. You all know very well that under the chairmanship of Sri M.M. Sharif Garu, Krishnaveni Group of Schools since 30 years and Rainbow Group of Schools since 6 years, helping the parents and students for the best learning outcome. So today I would like to explain you about one unique program designed by all our directors and academic team to make our students perfect in basics. You know, after the March 2020 till recent September 2021, there is almost all 17 months huge gap. And you all know very well that when students are engaged by online classes in between, the students involved in the online classes by using various gadgets. When you compare the teaching online as well as offline, previously the students totally right from KG to class 10, when you see the students, they are habituated themselves. They totally adopted towards the offline teaching. In the presence of teacher, they just themselves used to involve in the classrooms. Whereas in the online teaching, if you see, the teachers will be somewhere and students will be sitting somewhere, and with the help of these gadgets using internet, the students involved in online classes. So definitely I can say that online classes benefited students, but many of the students may not be attended online classes 100%. And few students, they might not paid the 100% attention. And even while taking the attendance during the online classes, we have seen that the attendance was really, it is not same on all the days. Lot of fluctuations we have seen in the attendance of the students. Keeping all these things in mind, the Krishnaveni Talent Schools and Rainbow Group of Schools, with the help of academic team, we just planned a unique program called BBC. See, the full form of BBC is Basic Bridge Capsule. See, we all know that to understand any concept, students need basics of that particular topic. Suppose, for example, if you take class 5 students in Telugu subject, they'll be having Bhasha Bhagalu and Lingalu, Vachanalu. These are the different kinds of grammar points which we explain to class 5 students. But when the class 5 students enter into class 6, we explain grammar like Sandulu, Samasalu, and different grammar points we explain. The student who completed class 5 before the pandemic situation and completed the entire 6th class through online, and now the student is promoted to class 7 we can't say whether the particular student is perfect in the grammar points which he need to learn in class 6 or not. So to fill this particular gap, and even if you take the subject science, in science if you see in class 7 we have a chapter called the reflection of light. A reflection of light in class 7. In that particular class, the student has to learn about what is light, what is reflection, what is incident ray, reflection ray, and normal. These are the different terms the student need to learn in class 7th. Whereas in class 8, if you see, the same light chapter is with a title like a reflection of light by plane surface. Reflection of light by plane surface in the class 8. And in this particular class, they need to learn various new terminology like a critical angle, refractive index, and regarding the medium, rarer medium and denser medium, and about optical fiber. These are the things they learn in class 8. And when you observe the class 9, the same topic is given under the title refraction of light at plane surfaces. So reflection of light on plane surface. Now again in 9th class, refraction of light. So to understand this refraction of light in class 9, the class 7 student, after completion of this online academic year, in 8th class, if he is not able to catch the basic terminology, then the particular student may face a lot of difficulty in understanding the topics. So keeping all these things in mind, we prepared this unique program called BBC, Basic Bridge Capsule. So this capsule, what we call it, why we call it as a capsule, this capsule will help the students to bridge in between the what concepts so far completed and what new concepts we are teaching. So in between this completed topic and present topic and future topics, this particular program will act as bridge. Hence, I request all the principals and all the teachers, parents and students to involve in this particular program seriously and make this program a huge success. Respected principals, your role is very crucial. Why? Because the central office prepared the schedule, and all the schedules, as I told you, right from LKG to class 9, we will forward the micro schedules to you. And your responsibility is take printouts of the micro schedule and distribute among the teachers. Ask your all subject teachers to work on that micro schedule, and ask the teachers to prepare any teaching aids required teaching aids, or any activities they want to do in the classroom, or do they have any stories to tell to the children along with the basics. So the purpose of sending this micro plan to you is, this micro plan is designed by almost all 40 to 44 experts in subject. So we asked these subject experts that the basics which we are going to explain in this BBC program should help our children, and our children should get confidence through this program, and our children should be free with the mental tension or mental stress or strain. Because when a student does not understand a particular concept, then definitely he develops pressure in his mind. So in our Krishnaveni school as well as in Rainbow schools, we want totally the students should come to school happily and they need to understand all the concepts with total confidence. That's why we have designed this program. And this program is designed for 21 days, which will start from 20th September onwards. And the detailed timetables we have sent from central office through WhatsApp. And this program, as I said, will start from 20th September and will end by October 10th. Utilize holidays, utilize Sundays, and involve the children in this. And we sent already some poster kind of things, and banners also we sent. So place the banners at the entrance of the school so that all the parents, they see and they understand about this BBC program. So as I said, principal's role is very crucial. Motivate your teachers and explain the importance of this particular program. And I request each and every subject teacher of any class, before you teach, what you do, you try to understand the concepts. And why we should explain this concept to the child. First, the purpose, you just focus on the purpose. Then in the classroom, explain the basics with a lot of happiness in your face. Never and never use the word before the student like, don't you know this? This is very easy. Don't you know? If you use such kind of sentences, students feel very bad. That's why I request teachers once again to take this program very seriously and let us help all our children. And I request all the parents, because here to make any program success at school level, teachers, parents and students, this particular triangle is most important. Teachers will take this program seriously, but at the same time, I request all the parents that please ask your teachers about this BBC program. Really, honestly, this is a very special program. We do not want to put heavy weights on the minds of our students. Respected parents, take this program positively and motivate your children and help us to explain the concepts to your children. If you really feel that at the particular school campus, if you find anything like issue in sanitation, issue in physical distance, issue in washroom maintenance in this pandemic situation, you tell to principal, you talk to the teachers, because this is our school and they are our children. So please send your children to this BBC program, and definitely all the details of this program, even micro schedules, will be sent to the parent. If you want, we will send micro schedules to you. Day wise micro schedule is prepared, definitely will reach you. And lastly, I request all the students, dear students, this program is really going to help you. If you have these basic concepts, if you attend to this bridge program, surely, definitely you will be benefited, and teachers will explain this particular program not as to complete a particular portion. So whenever you get a doubt, whenever you feel you are not understanding, definitely raise your hand and you ask your teachers. Teachers never and never they disgrace you, never and never they get angry on you. So they are your teachers and this is your school. Let us all together make this BBC program a grand success. So thank you, and I wish principals, zonal in charges and teachers from our school side and parents from student side, all together let us make this program 100% grand success for the betterment of our children. Thank you very much. Thank you for giving this extraordinary opportunity to meet you all. Thank you. Namaste.